What's the meaning of aspire? Aspire. Aspire.
Aspire. Aspire. Aspire means to have a strong desire or ambition to achieve something great. It is the act of setting high goals and making an effort to reach them. When someone aspires to do something, they are motivated and determined to succeed. The result of aspiration is often a sense of fulfillment, accomplishment, and personal growth. By aspiring to be better, we push ourselves further and can unlock our full potential. Aspiration is a powerful force that can drive us to achieve amazing things in both our personal and professional lives.